Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next item to tell you all about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. This is a COOFANDY, sort of a light jacket, corduroy, waffle textured shirt. It's a long sleeve shirt. It does have long sleeves. They can button the sleeves themselves. The shirt itself can be unbuttoned. It is a button down shirt. It's kind of an interesting design. It goes all the way down. It's kind of a heavier shirt. It's good for fall, for autumn, for cool spring nights. It'd be great for sitting around a fire pit at night, going for a quick hike. It's that sort of a heavy shirt. I'll kind of show you the fabric there. So it's a heavier, it is a beautiful kind of a texture, kind of a waffle texture. Again, corduroy they call it, but it looks really, really nice. This is one of the colors. It comes in a couple different colors. This is the green or army green, I think, and then the gray, and you can see is also a hoodie. As you can see in the hood, works pretty well. Sizing's pretty good. This is an extra large or XX large, I forget, but it does fit me. Whatever I ordered, I got exactly what I needed, and this fits me really, really well. As you can see, it's a nice looking shirt. Again, long sleeves, you can unbutton them, you can roll them up if you want to. This buttons up or buttons down as much as you want as well. It's fairly warm, actually. I mean, I'm inside because it's raining, and I'm fairly warm right now because it's a nice, comfortable fabric. It just feels really, really good. A couple other things about it. The hoodie themselves does have drawstrings, and then they have little like leather things on the end. Just a nice little detail there. I kind of like that. The hood itself is warm as well. That feels better. It's just a comfortable casual shirt. It's good for kind of walking around. It's good for hiking. Again, it's a nice looking shirt. This is a lot of COOFANDY stuff. I have a lot of their summer stuff. I have a lot of their Hawaiian stuff and some of their t-shirts and shorts. This is kind of a fall thing though. It's kind of a cooler weather thing. And it really looks good. It feels good. It's a little thicker than most of their other COOFANDY summer material, and that's nice. I'm really pretty impressed with this, actually. This is a comfortable thing. I kind of can't wait for it to be fall weather. I can't wait for it to get cooler now to go ahead and wear this. But yeah, it works pretty well. It feels good. I like it a lot. Just so you know, all the COOFANDY stuff comes kind of compressed for shipping purposes. When you first open it up, it may look a little wrinkly. That's okay, especially with a shirt like this. It's not going to matter. It'll all come out. You can steam them as well. They are machine washable. They do hold up. I've worn them for multiple COOFANDY shirts for multiple events. They do hold up pretty well. They look good. This is no exception. This is a really, really nice shirt. Nice heavy duty, cool shirt. This is a COOFANDY t-shirt as well, just kind of underneath. So you can kind of see, you can go to COOFANDY, you can kind of get all that stuff together, mix and match, get colors, whatever you need. Yeah, but overall, I'm very impressed with this. It looks good, it feels good, it's definitely warm. So yeah, it's highly recommended.